Hi everyone, it's Jackie again from Stain Foo. We are sticking with the St. Paddy's Day theme, so I'm going to share with you how to clean a green beer spill/stain. So if you are unaware, green beer is just a light lager beer mixed with some green food coloring. Since food coloring is a dye, it can be tricky. However, you should have good luck with this technique and using Stain Foo. So here we go. I'm gonna spill our green beer onto the carpet. And for this demo, I'm just gonna let it sit for a moment so it soaks in a little bit. Okay, and next we are going to blot it up as much as we can. We recommend using white cotton terry towels or paper towels like I'm using here. I was running low of my regular white towels, so it was what I had at the moment. Or you can also use color fast towels, just as long as it doesn't transfer any color onto the carpet. So as you can see, just blotting it took care of actually a decent amount of the spill. However, I do see some green dye left over, so next what we're going to do is take our Stain Foo and shake it up, and then spray a decent amount onto the area. Next, we will want to agitate the area with a metal spoon or with our carpet agitator, working from the outside in like this. Then we will want to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to work its magic. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Next, we are going to blot it up. Afterwards, check your area to see if you still see anything. If you do still see a stain, what you'd want to do next is the weighted towel method. And if there is still green stain after that, then I'll show you another trick. Anything with dye can be difficult to remove, like I had mentioned earlier, so there's always a possibility it could dye your carpet, but this is your best chance at getting it removed at home. So we'll go ahead and repeat our steps. Spray Stain Foo and then agitate the area. And then we are going to take a stack of our white towels and weigh it down with something heavy. Today I have this heavy-duty stapler that weighs a lot, so I'm going to set that on top and let it sit for a few hours. Okay, so after we wait a few hours, let's check our stain. If you still see some staining on your carpet, here's what you should do next. Spray and agitate the area again, and then just let it air dry. You might have to spray a few times because, like I mentioned, dyes can be very difficult to remove, so we are letting the power of oxygen and UV work in hopes it will lighten and lift the stain out of the carpet. Let's take a final look at the area. This is what your carpet should look like if you followed my steps. The stain should be gone and your green beer spill or stain should be no more. Right now the area is damp, so I'll let it air dry and show you the final results once it dries. Now the area is all dry and it looks great. So there you have it. That's how you clean a green beer spill/stain.